The book of Habakkuk, chapter 3. A prayer of Habakkuk the prophet on 𐤉𤄄𤅄. O YAHUAH, I have heard your report, and I was afraid. O YAHUAH, renew your work in the midst of the years. Make it known in the midst of the years. In wrath, remember compassion. Eloah comes from Teman, and the set-apart one from Mount Paran, Selah. His splendor shall cover the heavens, and his praise shall fill the earth. And the brightness is as the light. He has rays from his hand, and there his power is hidden. Before him goes pestilence, and a burning flame goes forth at his feet. He shall stand and measure the earth. He shall look and shake the nations. And the ancient mountains are shattered. The old hills shall bow. His ways are everlasting. I saw the tents of Cushan under sorrow. The curtains of the land of Midian tremble. Shall YAHUAH burn against the rivers? Is your displeasure against the rivers? Is your wrath against the sea, that you ride on your horses, your chariots of deliverance? You uncover your bow, the oaths of the rod of the word, Selah. You cut through the earth with rivers. The mountains shall see you, they tremble. The storm of water shall pass over. The deep shall give forth its voice. It shall lift up its hands. Sun, moon shall stand still in their places. Like light your arrows fly, like lightning is your glittering spear. You step through the earth in rage, you thresh the nations in wrath. You shall go forth to save your people, to save your anointed. You shall smite the head from the house of the wrong, by laying bare from foundation to neck, Selah. You shall pierce with your own arrows the head of his leaders. They stormed along to scatter me, rejoicing as if to devour the poor in secret. You shall tread the sea with your horses, the foaming of many waters. I heard, and my body trembled. My lips quivered at the sound. Rottenness came into my bones. And I trembled within myself, that I might rest for the day of distress, to come upon the people who would attack us. Though the fig tree does not blossom, and there is no fruit on the vine, the yield of the olive has failed, and the fields brought forth no food. The flock has been cut off from the fold, and there is no herd in the stalls. Yet I exult in YAHUAH. I rejoice in the Elohim of my deliverance. YAHUAH the Master is my strength. And he makes my feet like those of deer, and he makes me walk on high places. To the chief singer with my stringed instruments.